Another day, another English lesson. Expressing detailed feelings. It's plus adjective plus how plus adjective, adverb plus clause. Hello there. Have you ever wanted to express an opinion with a bit of detail in English? Today, we're going to learn a fantastic and common structure that native speakers use all the time. It's plus adjective plus how plus adjective, adverb plus clause. Let's look at the pattern. It's plus adjective plus how plus adjective, adverb plus clause. It looks a bit long, but don't worry. It's actually a very friendly and useful structure. Let's break it into 3 parts. Part 1. The feeling, it's plus adjective. You start with your feeling or opinion. You use the general, it, and then add an adjective. For example, it's amazing, it's funny, or it's strange. Part 2. The focus, how plus adjective, adverb. Next, we use the word how to connect to the specific part that interests you. After how, we use an adjective or adverb to describe what's surprising, for example, how blue the sky is or how quickly time passes. Sometimes we also use how with quantifiers, for example, how much sugar, how little time, or how few people. Part 3. The main idea, plus clause. Finally, you finish the thought with a full clause, a mini sentence with a subject and a verb. This is the main situation you are talking about, for example, the sky is, or time passes. Putting it all together. Now, let's combine all 3 parts. For example, it's amazing how blue the sky is, or it's frightening how quickly time passes. These sentences first share your reaction, then point to the surprising detail, and finally give the full story. This structure is perfect for making observations and sharing your thoughts in a smooth, natural way. It's incredible how useful this pattern can be. Now, complete the sentences with the words in parentheses. The words are not always in the correct order. One. It's shocking how much sugar is in a single can of soda. Two. It's impressive how quickly she solved the math problem. Three. It's surprising how little time it takes to brew a cup of coffee with this machine. Four. It's funny how often I run into my neighbor at the grocery store. Five. It's incredible how well he plays the piano without any sheet music. Six. It's amazing how many languages your cousin can speak. 7. It's strange how quickly the weather can change. Eight. It's annoying how early the construction work starts in the morning. Nine. It's wonderful how much progress you have made this year. Ten. It's interesting how few people know the story behind this famous monument. Thank you for watching this worldwide ELT language learning video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and click the bell icon for more lessons.